Hello, in front of me I've got NISSAN X-Trail e-Power. In this video I'll show you how to use regenerative braking to extend the battery life as long as you can. Firstly, let's start with the theory. Regenerative braking uses force of the motor braking to regenerate battery level. You can check battery level in the bottom left corner of the cluster. Normally the car drives on the battery, but sometimes the fuel engine starts to regenerate the battery via fuel. But you can also use regenerative braking to extend the battery life and to extend the range of the car. According to statistics, this car city range is about 900 to 1000 kilometers if you are using e-pedal and regenerative braking. In order to achieve it, firstly, take a look in the center of the car. Select e-pedal, and now when e-pedal is turned on, when you drive, use only acceleration pedal. In e-pedal mode, you don't need to use brake, because when you lift the acceleration pedal, the car will use electric motor to brake and to regenerate power. This will extend your battery life and extend your range, which also leads to saving money on the fuel. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.